Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to use Prettier code extension in Visual Studio Code. Basically guys, for this tutorial we'll use Visual Studio Code, so if you don't have it already, all we need you to do is, for example, let's get into our browser and then open it and open a new window and search for your Visual Studio Code. So here we go, and from here I highly suggest you to go to this website, and here you just click on download for Windows, or if you have any like other Mac, Linux, you can you can as well download them from here. Now, as you can see now, we'll have to open our program to install the Prettier extension, and the Prettier extension, as like its name says, Prettier. It makes your code prettier. It adds colorful scripts and etc. to your script and make it more like a colorful like text. So how we can do that? All you need to do is go to your extensions. So you can go here and search for Prettier. If this extension doesn't show up, so if this menu doesn't show up for you, all you need to do is click on Control Shift and X, and it will take you there. So all you need to do is search there on Prettier, and then guys, make sure to download the one with the check mark or verified mark. So go to it, click here on install, and here basically we'll find all the informations, the GitHub, download, installation, and code style, etc. So here you will find some information about it if you want to, and yeah, this is it. But like this is it. So all you need to do now is go to your code, create your new file, for example a text file, and just start editing and add your prettier code into it, and the extension shall be working. Sometimes guys, if your extension is not actually enabled, make sure to enable it from here. So if it is not enabled, you'll find it sometimes disabled, so make sure to go here and make it enable, and it will start working, or you can just check it from here if it is enabled or not. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you a lot for watching.